Hey everybody, welcome to Len Bush Roses. We are here with Flowers Between Friends. I'm Georgia, editing lead designer here at Len Bush, and
I'm Kristin Thomas. I'm marketing coordinator here at Len Bush,
yes.
And we have not been together, Georgia.
I know, it's since the end of the past year, 2021, right?
Has it been that long?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my gosh. Well,
yes, because Lauren did one of the first segments with me in plants a few weeks back.
That's right. So
yeah,
happy to be back together with our Flowers Between Friends.
Yeah, it's not, we're not flowers between friends today. We're friends surrounded by flowers.
We are, and we're excited about it because we're in the Delphinium house.
Yeah.
And it is so beautiful in here, as you can see. Our Delphinium crop just gave us like a lovely boost to help boost our spirits, I think.
Yep.
Even though it is not feeling like spring outside,
look
it
at
is
these blooms.
so beautiful in here.
Gorgeous. That color, that blue purple is just woo.
And we know you guys love our Delphinium, so
and they haven't had it in a while.
They haven't. No. Nope. And now it's here.
Here it is. Before we really dig in, should we talk about that one quick date real quickly?
Yes, we have a special date to talk about.
March 8th, International Women's Day, and the theme this year is hashtag break the bias. Yep, absolutely. Helping to call equality to women through the female gender, women in the workplace, women no matter where we are, women in businesses today, women-owned businesses, colleges, campuses, across the world really. And as we've talked about in the past, we've really been bringing you this holiday for about this new and upcoming holiday for about 5 years. But as we've talked about in the past, very strong presence in Europe and has been since the early 1920s. That this International Women's Day has been a very strong focus through European countries. And we really, I think Len Bush Roses can really take some of the credit for really bringing this holiday to the forefront here, at least to our customers and in this Midwestern area of the state of Minnesota, because I was telling Kristin earlier that was watching some online videos recently in some other parts of the United States, and they're not quite as aware of what International Women's Day is and what it's about, and that it has a presence here in the U.S. as much as we are right here. So really, you know, we've worked hard the last 5 years to bring interest and to bring awareness to this new holiday for our customers. So it's a great opportunity to be able to celebrate women, and many of you ladies out there, shop owners, are women. And not all of you, but many of you are. And this is a great holiday to bring awareness to business owners, women alike, and for you to be able to have opportunities to sell more flowers and to bring awareness to this to your community as well, to honor women in this area.
March is International Women's Month, so
correct.
It's kind of tied together.
Yes.
What?
It is.
It's National Women's History Month.
Okay, there we go. Okay, March is, start there.
Okay. Okay, and March is National Women's History Month, so they are tied together too. And March is coming. Oh my gosh, is it next week already?
Yeah, Tuesday, March 1st.
Okay, so there you go.
Yeah.
Yes.
And the date is always the same, March 8th, as we have stated before. But
right. And
so we've got a couple things on special, right, for this holiday for our stores?
Yeah, well, we are having we have a special bouquet that George has helped to create that will be a perfect one, which is still in the themes, because purple is always their
purple is their strong color. Yellow and pink are also supportive colors of the theme.
Yes. Yeah. Yep. And we do have a couple other options too. That we'll have a flyer coming out on our email campaign, so you will see that shortly. So yes.
And the bouquet actually has a sleeve with the theme on it and a pic that celebrates International Women's Day. So it is definitely a bouquet created just for International Women's Day.
Right, and we'll be building them very soon, so they'll be available starting next week, we hope.
Yep, they can get them in the stores right away next week.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Good. Yes. But the color purple is around us, surrounded in our Delphinium. Yeah. And we also wanted to take a moment and take advantage of being down in the greenhouses, which George and I
love being down here.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
If we could just put our desks here, I think we'd be here all day.
The happiest place on earth. Some people say Disney. Hey, I say the homegrown greenhouses.
Yeah, depending on the day, but I agree, I'm a Disney girl. So we just felt like we should really let you see the gerbs too, because our gerbs are also flourishing right now after Valentine's Day. Sarah's being very careful because it's not the easiest.
Isn't this just like tiptoeing through the tulips kind of thing, walking through the garden, Kristin? I love walking through the garden with you.
I agree. So this way
Come on,
is
everybody. We're
one of
our
tulip houses, our gerb houses.
Bright, cheery place. This is seriously In those winter months where it's nice and dreary, this is one of the best places to be, isn't it? The color is just amazing.
And it is so warm.
This. Sarah, span this room. Gorgeous color. Absolutely.
And really all the colors are just flourishing so well. It's just, I mean, between the yellows, the oranges, the reds, pinks.
Yep.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Bi-colors. Gosh, so what are they saying, Kristin? You were telling me early we've got like a plethora of stems coming through. How many?
Yeah, we did a hard push, you know, before Valentine's Day so we could get as many stems as we could for our customers. And now they took a little break and now they're producing again for us. Yeah. So as you said, it's such a happy flower. I feel like it's a great flower to have in your shops right now to make us think of spring. And you know, we've got the stems available, and pretty soon we've got 2 more holidays coming up. So this would be the time to kind of
get those gerbs, those happy flowers into your
coolers.
We've got them. So remember, especially like with the Delphinium, you know, we do have gerbs year round, but Delphinium, we grow it strong at certain times of the year. So this is the time to get it and get it into your stores, into your shops, and be selling it to your customers and designing with it. It's beautiful.
And promote local grow and Minnesota grow. And this, I mean, you guys got that advantage, those of you who can buy our product and make sure that you're supporting that local Minnesota grown, you know.
Absolutely.
Yep.
And these gerbs are just stunning. Do you have a favorite, Kristin? Do you have a favorite gerb? I mean,
I'm silent because it depends on the day, honestly.
I know so this is a newer one, Ivy May Peach. That's really pretty.
Yes, and I love her name.
I know, I do too.
Ivy May is such a sweet name.
But quite frankly, I love the boldness of Kingsley and just the strength that.
And Kingsley's an orange.
It is. It's an orange right down here. I don't know if Sarah can zoom in on it over there, but I love Kingsley. It's such a strong orange. I love them all though. Gosh, you give me a gerb, I'm going to have fun with it.
And our gerbs really last a long time. Their stem strength is awesome.
This is Pep Talk on the left, and this is Kingsley over here. But just look at that guy. I just want to reach in and I can't right now. He's just so beautiful. So yeah, so we've got gerbs, and we want to make sure that everybody is getting gerbs into their stores and getting that happy flower, that spring flower, out into the hands of consumers, because we really need it.
Yes, absolutely.
This has been a long, cold winter. We need to have that beauty.
Yes, exactly. Agreed.
Okay.
Agreed.
Did you tell me your favorite? You said just
no. I kind of scooted away from that.
Well, how about this one over here, Riley Pink? You got to choose one before we got to tell you what their favorite.
All right.
You know what? And why don't you guys tell us what one of your favorite Len Bush Roses gerbs is? So respond back. Let us know. You know, hashtag you love. Which one?
Okay, I'll take a bright orange. I'll take the Kingsley.
Okay, Kristin,
that's my
love
mood today.
Kingsley today. So there you go. Anything else?
No. I think we'll see each other in a couple weeks. Yep. By then we'll be gearing into Easter, so we'll have more beautiful stuff to show you. But
Oh, can I mention St. Patrick's Day real quick?
Yes, you can.
Okay. We've got shamrocks. We've got oxalis in right now, so make sure you're thinking about looking ahead and getting some of that. We've got a couple of different varieties of oxalis. So get those plants in, get some containers. We've got green containers. I think a flyer went out on Constant Contact, but don't forget St. Patrick's Day, right after Women's Day.
That's coming soon too.
Make sure you grab some of those fun green items.
Spring is almost here.
It's here, I know.
It's here.
It's just
not here.
Yeah, we gotta get some nice temperatures
for sure
outside.
Yeah. So anyway, have a great week, and we'll see you in 2 weeks.
Take care, everybody.